Today we have a Goodman Heat Pump. It says it's not heating as well as it used to. Right off the bat, I noticed the compressor isn't running. So what's probably happening is the electric strip heaters are running, and that is enough to temper the air, but it's not heating like it used to. And no compressor.
Yeah, there's definitely no compressor in that.
Pop it open and see what's going on. I think it still has your, yeah, it does still have the original capacitor, so that's probably what it is.
Almost hit my head on the disconnect.
It's probably the capacitor, being as it's the original capacitor. Sorting the terminals. It's probably a 45.5. Blow the fuse. I don't feel like replacing the fuse. It's 40. 40/5. So it have the wobble. Yes, it has the wobble.
Yeah, it do.
It has the signature wobble. It's probably bad. Alright. Let's see what we got. It's from common to fan. Like nothing. Yeah, and it's a very 4.7. Okay. Common to Herm. That's shorted out. 170. Yeah, that's shorted out. That's no good. Yeah, that's no good. All right, we're back, and we have a brand new capacitor for it. 5.
Fresh from the factory.
It would help if this thing wouldn't slip so much. What was that? All right, we got our new capacitor in. I had to rotate it this way. Normally I like to have the tag in the front, but on these Goodman units, this jumper here is too short. If I have the common in the back, which would have the tag in the front, so I have to have it this way. Move that over to 60 minutes. It's just something I like to do, because 30, in my opinion, is too frequent for defrost. And gotta fire it up. That wraps this video up.